freaking morning, everybody. Welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, guys, we are going to be doing a full day of eating, full day of the anabolic diet. So before we get started, let me quickly introduce myself for all you new peeps checking out this channel. My name is Logan Delgado. I am a proud father, proud husband. I lost a total of 70 pounds utilizing the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting. And I have now dedicated my life to fitness and health and reminding you, yes, you, that it's never too late to become what you might have been. We're about to have meal one of the day. The goal of the day is to have 4 meals. It is a training day today, so macros will be a little bit higher, which we will dive into a little bit later in the video. Let's have meal number 1. What up, people? Okay, so we're here at Gaines Bakery, the best place in the world, and right next to my office, so I'm very lucky. If you're not next to Gaines Bakery, then you're gonna have to cook this meal at home. So what we're gonna have is 5 ounces of chicken, 2 whole eggs, and 200 grams of rice with 20 grams of nut butter. All right, guys. So here it is, meal number 1. Now, this is actually a pretty big meal considering it is just meal number 1. Good amount of fats, good amount of protein, and quite a bit of carbs. Now, it is a training day, so on training day, my carbs are always gonna be a lot higher. And then on obviously off days, it's almost like a keto day. That's just the way I'm doing it right now. I know I got tons of questions. People want to know, like, why are you doing this? Why are you eating so many carbs? Why are you doing keto on your off days? Yada, yada, yada. Guys, this is just what I'm doing. This works for me. It's fitting my lifestyle. I'm liking the way I look. I'm staying somewhat lean and getting a little bit bigger, a little bit fuller, but at the same time, not going crazy, right? I mean, understand that this is a high carb day. I'm not eating cereal. I'm not eating a bagel. I'm not eating Cinnamon Toast Crunch and Pop-Tarts. I mean, this is pretty much as basic as it gets, but yes, it is carbs, right? I am having white rice. Ooh, exciting white rice. Woo, let's party. Woo! It's white rice, okay? But if you are someone who does keto, someone who's been following me for a while, and you've been away for a long time, and you're finally coming back, you're like, look, why are you eating so much rice? It's the off season. We're trying to grow, and we have a deadline on when we're gonna stop doing this once we get into the prep stage of the keto cut. So that's a lot further down the road. Let's just focus on this full day of eating. Macros for meal number 1. Boom, right there. So time to dive in and start our day. Okay, so just got to Best Buy. I need to pick up a Wi-Fi router extender because I get no Wi-Fi in Ross's house. Like, I office on the other side of the house. The Wi-Fi router is on this side of the house. And so what's the point of having an office at Ross's house if I can't get freaking Wi-Fi? About to pick one up and hopefully that will solve the problem. But before we get into that, I want to talk to you about something. So, today I just knocked out some cardio this morning before we got to the office, before we had the first meal of the day. And, my motivation was pretty high, right? And when my motivation is high, I'll go that extra 5, that extra 10, sometimes 20 extra minutes on the Stairmaster, cardio, whatever that may be, right? Because I'm motivated, right? But you can't always rely on motivation. Our motivation is going to be up some days, and some days it's going to be down. On those days that it's down, guess what? That's when you don't go train. That's when you just eat like crap. You don't food prep. You don't work out. You do all the bad things. Yes, I think motivation is key. I think motivation is very important, but it's not the one thing that you should always rely on, because motivation some days will be this, and then motivation will some days be right here. The number one thing to always go back to is being disciplined. Being disciplined and making the decision to do what you need to do. That way, on those days that motivation is like right here, you don't want to get out of bed, it's freaking cold outside. I get it, right? It takes a lot of dedication to get up and go do those things you need to do. But at the end of the day, that's the most important. Dedication over motivation, because motivation will come and go. And making the decisions and making things a priority is going to be the difference between having success and failure. I talk about this all the time. Everybody has time to watch the new Mandalorian. WandaVision, whatever show's on Netflix, go out to eat, go have a beer, do all these things that don't benefit you, right? Everybody has time for that, right? But nobody ever has time to go work out, food prep, train, cardio, get up early. You need to make time. And the only way to make time is to be disciplined and make the decisions to make those things a priority. So, boom, there's my little motivation speech. Let's get off and get this Wi-Fi router. So here it is, meal number 2 for the day. 6 ounces of chicken, 250 grams of white rice with 10 grams of melted peanut butter with sweet poppy sauce and sriracha maple vinegar red. Macros, boom, right there. Now this is gonna be my pre-workout meal, so we did sprinkle a little extra salt for the pump. Now, not that we're gonna need it because there's plenty of carbs. It should be a pretty fun workout. We are training chest today at 3:30. So this is gonna be a nice meal, nice pre-workout meal before we get to the gym and put in work, baby. So cheers, meal number 2 about to go down. Okay guys, so we just got into the gym, so we're gonna hit chest today, and we got Rick, AKA Dr. 5,000 Watts today. I'm running solo dolo today, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to film, but I maybe will set up the camera here and there. Again, you've seen this workout before. It's just pretty much our chest day workout that I normally do with Ross, with Rick on the newbie machine. So this is gonna be Rick's first time though at THRC. This is my home gym. This is gonna be epic. This should be fun. Okay. 2.
Come up slower. There you go. Come on.
1, 2.
Now do 5 fast reps. 5 fast reps.
1.
Good. Slow back down. Hold it in the middle. Hold it. Count to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright, come off. Do it again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright, rep out.
1, 2, 3, 4. What a workout, guys. So I forgot how amazing the newbie machine is on chest today. So I haven't been able to train chest. So much stuff going behind the scenes. I don't know if I told you this, you guys. I don't know if I told you this yet. We are currently building a house right now. So we're currently building a home. A lot of back-end projects at work with American Metabolics, Keto Coach, Fast Coach. So many moving pieces right now that I just wasn't able to have like the right workouts. My nutrition's kind of been all over the place, but finally getting everything back in order, back in place. And so had Rick come to my gym and come train chest, and I'm telling you, I am freaking pumped. You can't really see it, but check out this. See if you can see this video. Oh my gosh. Look at that. All right, so we got a meeting at 6 o'clock. Gonna have a post-workout meal right now. We gotta make it quick. I gotta jump on a meeting here in about an hour. Not gonna have time to cook. We'll do a quick post-workout meal and then back at home for dinner time for the last and final meal of the day. So let's go. Okay guys, so we just got back from the gym. Gonna make a quick post-workout shake. So what we got right here is 1 scoop of keto meal and then 1 scoop of protein and then some awa. And that's pretty much it. So this is gonna be probably the smallest meal of the day because I just don't have time to cook. Typically, I would still be at the office around this time. And again, I wouldn't have a meeting set up at 6 o'clock. I would be able to cook a good meal, but it's all good. We don't live in a perfect world. Sounds like first world problems. So that is when keto meal comes in handy. So that is gonna be meal number 3 for the day. Okay, meal number 3. Time to start this meeting.
A few moments later.
No.
You don't want to say hi?
No.
Why?
Yeah.
Well, then say hi.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Oh,
What happened to your baby?
the baby fall.
Where did it go?
The baby didn't fall.
The baby where?
Oh
Oh no!
no!
Ah, what happened?
Oh no, mommy!
Help you?
Yeah.
Okay, let me help you. All right, so here we are for meal number 4 of the day, and what we have right here is 3 whole eggs, some bell peppers chopped up with 5 ounces of chicken. So not much carbs in this one, actually pretty much no carbs in this one, because I'm done working out for the day. Obviously gonna go to bed after this. It's all coming out. Okay, because now obviously I'm going to go to bed after this, so don't need any carbs, so that last meal is always like a high protein, high fat meal. But there you go, guys. So the macros for this meal, boom, right there, and then total macros for the day, boom, right there, and that is gonna complete our full day of eating. Cheeky thumbnail picture coming up, boom. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching this full day of eating, this anabolic full day of eating. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you doing? What are you doing, fam? You have to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, make sure you comment down below, and let me show you my daughter. You gotta give a thumbs up for my daughter, because she's just amazing. She's letting me film this while watching Frozen, because that's what little kids do. Say hi. Say hit that thumbs up. Give him the thumbs up. Oh, say hi, Jaxie. Hit the thumbs up. Tell him to hit the thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yes. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. We absolutely love you. We'll see you on the next video. Peace. Say peace.
Fish.